Once upon a time in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was an ordinary girl with extraordinary dreams. She had always felt a fire burning within her, a deep desire to make a difference in the world. However, she often found herself doubting her abilities and questioning whether she had what it took to achieve greatness. One day, while exploring the forest near her village, Maya stumbled upon an ancient, weathered book hidden beneath a mossy tree stump. Curiosity piqued, she dusted off the book and opened its pages. To her astonishment, the book was filled with stories of individuals who had overcome tremendous challenges and achieved incredible feats. As Maya delved deeper into the tales, she discovered a recurring theme.
Each person had tapped into the power within themselves to unlock their full potential. Inspired by their journeys, Maya realized that the key to her own greatness lay dormant within her own heart and mind. Determined to unleash her hidden potential, Maya embarked on a quest of self-discovery. She sought out mentors who encouraged her to read books that expanded her knowledge, and surrounded herself with positive influences. Step by step, Maya began to shed her doubts and embrace her true capabilities. With newfound confidence, Maya started sharing her own story on a YouTube channel dedicated to motivating others. She spoke passionately about the power of self-belief, the importance of perseverance, and the magic that lies within every individual. Her words resonated with people from all walks of life, inspiring them to chase their dreams fearlessly. Maya's YouTube channel grew rapidly, and she became a beacon of hope for those who needed a reminder of their potential. Her contagious energy and unwavering belief in the human spirit transformed lives and ignited a wave of positive change in the world. As Maya continued to inspire and uplift others, she realized that her journey was just the beginning. She understood that true greatness is not measured by personal achievements alone but by the impact one has on the lives of others. With this realization, Maya committed herself to a lifelong mission of empowering individuals to embrace their unique gifts and create a ripple effect of positivity wherever they went. And so, the tale of Maya, the ordinary girl who discovered the extraordinary power within herself, spread far and wide. Her YouTube channel became a sanctuary for dreamers, a source of motivation for those in need, and a reminder that each person possesses the strength to unlock their full potential. Maya's story serves as a timeless reminder that within each of us lies a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. It's a reminder that with belief in ourselves and a relentless pursuit of our dreams, we have the power to change the world. The question is, will you dare to unlock your own full potential? Subscribe for more. And don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.